Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how I did this DIY wall art, it is very easy and very affordable. If you want to know how I did it, then keep on watching. The first thing you need is this whiteboard that I picked up at Dollar Tree, these hoop and loop fasteners that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree, and these thin paper-like material or kind of fabric material leaves that I picked up on Amazon. I'll be posting the link down below if you guys are interested. So this is the fun part. You basically want to play with the leaves. They come in two different sizes, a large size and a smaller size. So you just want to lay out the leaves and do different patterns and see what speaks to you. And once you finally decide on what pattern you want to go with, then you want to use double-sided tape to make sure that the leaves are stuck on the whiteboard and that they won't be falling off your poster board. The reason I used double-sided tape was because I didn't want to use glue, and once it dried out, kind of the leaves be lumpy, so I just wanted to go with the safe route and I wanted a very clean finish. So this is your final look, and this is when you use the hoop and loop fasteners, and you will be placing them in the back of the whiteboard. So you want to use one of the fasteners and glue them in every corner of your poster board, like so. And if there's any leaves popping out, then you want to make sure to add double-sided tape. And then you do want to use the other side of the fastener, so that way the sticky part will glue to your wall and you don't have to make any holes. Because the poster board are light and the leaves are light, this is a very easy DIY and no holes necessary. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns, definitely comment down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.